Welcome back to the Auto Info Master. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that continues to blur the line between luxury and affordability. Think all SUVs in this class are starting to look and feel the same? Let's go start the video. At first glance, the 2026 CX-5 immediately grabs your attention. Mazda's Kodo design language is more refined than ever. Sleek lines, a bold front grille, and piercing LED headlights give this SUV a striking presence. The profile is sculpted with athletic curves and 19-inch alloy wheels that come standard on most trims, making the CX-5 look ready to pounce even when it's parked. And let's not forget the new paint option, deep rhodium red, that turns heads wherever it goes. This isn't just another commuter SUV, it's a rolling piece of art. Step inside, and the upscale experience continues. Mazda's commitment to craftsmanship is on full display here. Soft touch materials, genuine leather upholstery, and subtle ambient lighting wrap you in a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge. The redesigned dashboard features a 12.3-inch floating infotainment screen that's now touch-enabled. Finally. And it pairs seamlessly with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The center console is sleek and simplified, putting key controls within easy reach, while rear seat passengers enjoy improved legroom thanks to a slightly stretched wheelbase. Whether you're in the front or the back, comfort is the priority. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-5 offers two engine options. The base model features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 191 horsepower, solid for daily driving with a smooth, responsive feel. But for those who crave more power, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine delivers an impressive 256 horsepower when running on premium fuel. That means quicker acceleration and more confidence when overtaking on the highway. Mazda's iActive AWD system is standard across all trims now, and it intelligently distributes power for better grip and handling, even in poor weather conditions. But the real charm of the CX-5 lies in how it drives. This SUV handles like a sports sedan with responsive steering and tight cornering. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus system adjusts engine torque in real time for a more stable and refined ride. You'll actually look forward to winding roads, which isn't something you hear often about compact SUVs. Of course, Mazda hasn't forgotten about safety. The 2026 CX-5 comes packed with the iActive Sense safety suite, including adaptive cruise, control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and the new traffic jam assist feature that can help you navigate stop-and-go traffic with less stress. There's also a 360-degree camera system on higher trims, giving you full visibility around the vehicle. Now let's talk features and tech. Alongside the upgraded infotainment system, the CX-5 includes a head-up display, a premium 10-speaker, Bose audio system, a wireless charging pad, and Mazda's new personalization system, which remembers your seat, mirror, and climate preferences. Even the base model doesn't feel stripped down. It includes dual-zone climate control, push-button start, and keyless entry. As for pricing, Mazda has managed to keep things competitive. The base 2.5S trim starts around $30,000, while the fully loaded Turbo Signature trim pushes closer to $42,000. Considering the features, quality, and performance you're getting, the 2026 CX-5 delivers outstanding value. So, what's the verdict? If you're looking for an SUV that offers luxury-level refinement, agile performance, and top-notch safety, without breaking the bank, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 might just be your perfect match. It's more than just a daily driver, it's a driver's SUV. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Info Master, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest car reviews. Got questions about the CX-5 or want us to cover another SUV? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear from you.